Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Admin 365. And today we are going to talk about the issue where the OST file exceeds 49 gigabytes and it stops Outlook to receive new email. So we have a workaround to fix this issue, and it will require us to perform few steps in Outlook itself and as well as the directory where it stores all the Outlook data itself. So to begin with, let's open the Outlook. And in Outlook, if we have multiple shared mailboxes, we will have the issue with where we have the OST file exceeding 49 gigabytes. So if you have multiple shared mailbox attached to the primary account, which is, for example, admin here, you just have to perform few steps here in the Outlook itself. So to begin with, let's go here on File, Account Settings. We will click twice on the account here itself, and we will go to More Settings, Advanced, and we will uncheck this option. So this will stop the Outlook to download the shared mailbox or any user's mailbox on which the primary mailbox has permission on, and it will just display the mailbox as online. And apart from this, we can also remove the cache exchange mode. If you wish to view Outlook in online mode, you can do that as well. You can just uncheck it here. But I will recommend to uncheck the shared mailbox if there are any. If you don't have the shared mailbox and still you have the same issue for the OST, you can just unselect the cache exchange mode and hit apply. So you can do it from here, or you can reduce the time of the email getting downloaded onto the server. So 1 year should be fine, or you can keep it to 3 years. That's completely fine. It should be able to manage it. So after we do this, we will have to reset. We will close the Outlook, and we will have to go back to the folder where it stores Outlook OST file. So to go to that location, I have already opened this location as you can see here, but let me just you can just see the URL at the top. We just have to go to this PC, Windows C, users, and the username, which is dpram here, and then app data, local, Microsoft, and then Outlook. So this app data folder is basically a hidden folder. So you just have to unhide it by clicking on this and then checking this box here. Once you do that, you will see the app data folder itself, and under that we will go to local, Microsoft, and Outlook, which has all the data, and the OST file, which OST file should also be here, which is having the issue, or which is having the max size here. So we just have to go back on the Microsoft folder, right click on this, and rename it to anything but Outlook. So I renamed it to outlook.old for us to remember that it is a old Outlook folder. Once we do that, we can hit enter. I won't do that because it will re-download all the data. So once you renamed it, and then if you go ahead and reopen Outlook again, it will re-download all the data, and it will follow the settings which we have just made before renaming the folder, like not to download the shared mailbox and not to download all the emails for the primary mailbox as well. And that should fix the issue itself for the OST file, and it can be set to be a workaround, not an exact fix. We do have a registries as well to exceed the OST file sizes as well. We can try that as well, but I would recommend this, as this should, or this usually fixes the issue. So do let me know if you have any doubts. You can just drop a comment in the comment section, and I will reply to it as well. And till then, stay tuned and do subscribe to this channel, and you have a nice day. Bye bye.